One of the primary causes for mold in your home is a roof leak. And one of the most common roof leaks is a bad lead jack. We visited Jim with Ideal Roofing on a roof leak job to find out what makes a bad lead jack so bad.
A bad lead jack will leak because it starts to dry rot in the sun, and it shrinks and moves and loses that seal that was causing it to be waterproof.
So the real question is, how does an old lead jack get up to code?
Well, the first step we do is we remove the old one by removing some shingles around it and pulling the old one off. We install the new one, set it down, we seal the shingles around it and a specific fastening pattern. A code lead jack is going to be much better because it has a much larger base to it, which sits flat on the roof, so the shingles overlap more. And it also encases the entire plumbing pipe that's sticking up, so it's a complete umbrella over the pipe.
Once it's installed, the leak is fixed. A code lead jack seal will last as long as your roof. Stop mold before it starts. Fix your jacked up roofing for a lifetime leak solution. For HomeShowRadio.com, I'm Tom Tynan.